Everyone, today we're looking at harvesting some thyme. You can see it's just kind of like sprigs here, and you'll actually use all these little bitty leaves, so you aren't going to want to harvest them one by one. If you want to know uses and how to plant, check out our other video on that. But today we're going to look at harvesting and drying. So what we'll want to do is just kind of come in here, and you can see how these are all from like one stem here. So you'll want to come in and just cut off against like the woody stem there. So we're going to take our nice sharp shears here and go kind of to that node and just chop that off. And we'll just kind of go through and do that a few times, so you'll end up with a sprig like so. And basically just keep doing this. You'll want to trim back about a third of the plant. You can see we have a fairly big plant here. So you'll just keep going until you cut off a third of that. Again, if you want to know about planting or companion planting, check out our video on planting thyme. Anyway, we're going to go through and just keep trimming back at these like nodes here that you can see. And then we're going to head inside and start drying this.